binomialpedia, which we just did, or there's binomialcedia. Both are different things. Let's talk through. So binomialpedia, a lot of people remember like this. You're looking for a specific, but you want a specific number, exactly 2 successes, exactly 5 successes, exactly 3 successes. You're just doing that number only. That's what you just do. I think 2 out of 4 reasons. Not 2 or less, not 2 or more, just 2. That's what we just did. This is the binomialpedia. And EK, this lowercase x is like EK. And then we can type that in, just make sure we're all getting the same thing. But there's this other one that's called binomialcedia, which will accumulate things for you. And what CDF does is the probability of getting X or less successes. So binomial, let's do a couple of things. Binomialcedia of like 7.54, let's say. Find the probability of 4 or less. So it's like a less than or equal to function. So that's just like one example of the binomial, whatever. 2 if I 2 or less. 10 if I 10 or less. It only works in that direction. It only goes less than. Sometimes you have to kind of flip things around to get what you want. So this is x is less than 3. So think about if x is less than 3, can x be? No. It can be 2, 1, or 0. So 2, 1, and 0 is what I'm looking for. So really I'm looking for 2 or less. Right? Less than 3 is the same as 2 or less. That's kind of a fun example. So there's 2 ways I can do it. I can do binomialpedia of 0 plus binomialpedia of 1 plus binomialpedia of 2. And that's fine. That does get to be a pain when it's like 10 or less. You know, then it would be a 10 plus be a 10. And there's just a lot of chances to screw up. So CDF will accomplish this all by itself. So I can do binomialcedia. N is like 0.7? We're just going to say 7. P is 0.8. And this is the part you got to think about. So if I want less than 3, I don't put 3 here. If I put a 3 here, it's doing less than or equal to 3, 2, 1, 0. I don't want 3, I just want less than 3 because that's 2. And then what this does is find the probability of 2, 1, and 0 and add them all together. So you do have a choice on some of these, but PDF gets really annoying with that. So go to your calculator. Not only CDF is right below PDF, it's the same idea, it's just like one slot lower. And remember when you're putting this in, it's doing this less than or equal to 2. Make sure you get that. We get that. So let's look at a couple others. I'm going to skip those 2 there. Yeah. Let's look at number 3. you don't ever actually have to do the problem both ways, PDF and CDF. I'm just putting them there so you can kind of look at like, if I were doing this way, what would I do? If I were doing this way, what would I do? So this one, 30% of the time, is 0.3. Next 5 days, so n is 5. And I want at least 4 of the 5. So I basically want 4 or 5. Right? At least 4 out of those 5 is going to be 4 or 5. So the PDF way is probably more straightforward for most people. I'm going to do PDF with 4, PDF with 5, find those individual probabilities, and then add them up. Find a PDF of 5, 0.3, 4. So that finds exactly 4 and exactly 5 and adds them together. But like I'll tell you right now, when I go to do this answer my calculator, I'm doing CDF. It's faster. Point zero three. So that's a perfectly valid way to do it. The problem becomes if it's like at least 4 out of 10. Then you gotta do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, add them all up, which takes time and it's just more guesses to kind of mess up. So another way to look at it would be with CDF. So let me make a little Venn diagram for you. And if I want 4 or more, I want 4 or 5, right? 5 trials. I want 4 or 5. What's the complement of 4 or 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So I can find all of these at once. I can do binomial CDF with the 3. And that will find for me 3, 2, 1, and 0. But after I get this answer, what would I subtract it from 1? So I'm kind of finding the complement. So this right here is binomial CDF of 5.33. But then this is not actually what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for the opposite. So I'm going to do 1 minus this. This part does get use this. So like this bit in here comes out to 0.96922. So that's the probability of 3 or less. I'm looking for the opposite of that. So I do 1 minus the 0.962, which is this. Right here. So you do have a choice, but there are times when CDF is like much, much, much faster. Questions on that one before I take it over? Let's look at 5. Do I need another one or you want to try one? Right, I think it'd be best if you could do it one way, so try it. You might find one you're on the AP test, you should write it out like this, like every time. But just for like my quick note, like I don't care about that, right? So I'm just putting like PDF for 3 and I'm like, oh, there's 4 and 5 letters. Don't worry about it. In your notes, writing every single thing out. Basically, when you're being asked above, like at least or more, you're gonna have to do one minus. The calculator only does less than, or less than equal to. The calculator, if the question is asking more, they're asking the opposite, and that's when you have to choose one minus. That's the guy. I'll talk through it in a second. All right, so the PDF, there's 5 trials, so you could get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So that's this PDF, I'm just doing 3, 4, and 5, and then 11. With the CDF, kind of the same as last time, at least 3 times. So I'm looking for 3, 4, or 5. My calculator doesn't do that. So I can subtract out 0, 1, and 2. And finding this part, I'm going to do 1 minus that part. Give me like thumbs up, down, sideways. Okay, okay. Questions on that? Do number 7. same problem essentially. Um, PDF, CDF doesn't matter. PDF is going to be exactly zero. And CDF is going to be zero everything below it, but nothing below it. So you can do either one of those. And it's the same idea as this. At least one of these find like the zero part, and let's try to go out and look at everything. Let me add more something. Question 11. All right, do two at the back, please. 9 and 10. Now I gotta add something. see this question on a test, I'm going to do PDF like 100% of the time. But I say 10. Okay. We'll go back to 9. I would do PDF every time. But if you want to get fancy or just practicing like your CDF, this will find 3, 2, 1, and 0. Finds 3 everything below it. This will find 2, 1, and 0. So when you subtract out the 2, 1, and 0, you're left with just the probability of 3. Again, I would keep it that way, but like understanding it that way is beneficial. And then the second one, you can do PDF in 18, 19, 20. I got really lazy with my notation there. Or you can subtract out 6, 17, and less. Get rid of 17 and less, all that's left is 18, 19, and 20. And you get this, which just to remind you what that means is you're moving the decimal 11 spots to the left, and that's negative. And that's so small, you can just say, when they say approximately here, question on 9 or 10. Yeah. One minus. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So yeah, like this probability here. I mean, think about it. You're taking a 20 question multiple choice test. A, B, C, D, E. What's the chances that you randomly guess your way to an 18 or better? It's 0, right? Like that's not gonna happen. So that's the chance that you get 17 or less, which is basically 100%. Good. Other questions on 9 or 10? Try 11. I made up 11.
No, it's just at 1. I was like, oh, that
Yeah, like,
means it's impossible.
It's really like 0.9999999.
Yeah.
That's so just make sure we all know what that means. That's between 3 and 6. But are we including the 3? Not. Are we including 6? Yeah. Because of the or equal to sign here, the 6 comes, but there's not one there. So it's really 4, 5, and 6. What you're looking for. Exams are Thursday, Friday, right? Is it like 1, 2, 3, Thursday, or that's it? Weekdays for exams plus here. Nice. So again, I want the 6, I want below 6, but I also want greater than 3. So we're looking for 4, 5, and 6. So probably the like most straightforward way to do it, I'm going to take this negative under, is just to do PDF of 4, 5, and 6 and add them together. If you're doing the CDF method, I like to look at like for the 6, find 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I'm subtracting the CDF of 3, which will find do geometric, looks like a different site. We do most of it by hand, next day with the calculator. And then a little bit more new stuff on Tuesday, but really simple. Wednesday practice time, Thursday. Yes.
Pick one and then subtract that. One minus one.
No. So CDF is 6. 5 is the probability of 6, 5,